too bright.
Yeah. These are prescription. I can't see without them on.
All day it's been too bright.
Yeah.
We're definitely not just a bunch of cool guys.
I mean, we are.
We are.
Today we are brewing what some would consider a dry hopped Pilsner. Some might call it a hoppy lager. Some might say it's a India Pale Lager.
I would say that.
I am just gonna call it a delicious beer. Taking our base Pilsner recipe, and then we are, dropping 8 ounces of Cashmere in there. We've got 11 pounds of Pilsner malt and a half pound of Carapils. Doing the Hochkurz mash yet again. First mash rest at 144, second one at 160. Then we raise the temp to a Mashout about 170. No Sparge yet again. This time we actually calculated for the reduced efficiency, so we'll see how this one turns out. For the water chemistry, pretty low mineral content, pretty balanced. The calcium's just about 50 parts per million. Same with the sulfate and chloride.
We got the 1 ounce Cascade, 1 ounce Northern Brewer, and
The big old 8 ounce pack of Cashmere from Yakima Valley Hops.
Cashmere is the daughter of Northern Brewer and Cascade. So we thought we'd give her a family reunion.
So we actually nailed our pre-boil gravity this time and our volume because I correctly adjusted the efficiency in Beersmith for a no Sparge batch to 66% instead of 72%. So unlike last time when our double IPA became a single IPA, our Pilsner is right on schedule. Guess the real Beersmith was me. So we were actually smart this time. We bottled our IPA last night. So we actually set up all the water and equipment for this morning, which was probably good.
Very good.
Since you had some rambunctious youngsters.
Yep.
To say the least.
Yep.
You're about to get really scared.
Every day.
We planned on getting started at 9 a.m. and then the interrupter kind of wanted me to play with him.
Donkey Kong.
Yeah, we played some video
Mario
games.
Bros. 2. Yep.
Played some old school video games. Always
It's Mario.
always fun for everybody except me because I'm terrible at them. How did I die?
Also, Owen by far has the most fun. He's really good at those.
I want to stay big. Stop it. She's cool. I don't like it when she spits things at me.
Yeah.
I'm not.
I have no fun playing Donkey Kong. I'm not very good at any of those games.
You can't fall down, Ben.
I fell on a platform.
Well, you can't fall on a platform either because...
Ah, the French toast! What's the point of having platforms? We actually were smart and got propane before we ran out this time. So that was a good
Basically,
move.
yeah, I think what we're really trying to get at is that we're really smart dudes.
Probably the smartest, probably geniuses.
Yep.
Not just cool dudes, smart dudes too.
The sunglasses can be a little misleading. We are very cool, and I understand that's probably what you guys are taking in from this.
The reason why we're wearing these sunglasses is because we're so bright. Yeah! We added our whirl flock. We're chilling it down to about 170 degrees, and then we're gonna go add 4 ounces of cashmere. We like to recycle the wort chiller water to clean our pots and stuff, because we are responsible citizens, and the water coming out of this hose is really cold, so that's the real reason. Gravity readings. That's some heavy shit.
Heavy stuff, Ben. Heavy stuff.
I'll bleep it out.
The future is so bright, we have to keep our shades on.
Oh, I was about to take them off.
That's really good.
I guess you'd say that this Cashmere Pilsner is gonna be cash money.
Bad Ocean's 11 movie. Sequel, maybe?
I only saw the first one.
Oh, well.
I never saw the first 10 though. I only started Ocean's 11. You're welcome.
Oh, and the other night, did I tell you about this? He hiked up his legs and worked an enormous fart. And then just looks at me straight face and says, "You're welcome. Merry Christmas."
Sounds like a cool guy.
Who have I raised?
I've been doing this thing where every time I burp, I dab into it. So our brew day usually starts off with us playing cool music that we might have just heard or that we might think the other person will like, or usually me playing some metal songs that nobody likes except me. And then slowly it becomes like the most annoying songs from the mid 2000s.
Every single time.
The Biscuit, the Creed.
Creed, my lord.
One!
Oh, one! Yep,
Ask your parents about that one, kids.
yep,
Lazy brewing practices and terrible music.
yeah,
It's our style.
yep.
Well, put your hat on backwards,
Why?
because then you can be really cool.
Maybe sideways?
No, but we gotta be like, sup, dudes?
Like and subscribe.
Like we're totally out of focus because it's set for